Here we go. We got the back fully loaded. Say hi.
Hi.
We got the kids fully loaded. Are you ready, Freddy?
Let's do it.
Where are we at? Tell him. Remember what it's called?
See?
Do you remember what it's called?
Bilbo.
We're at Bear World, and what have we seen?
Bears.
And?
Goats.
And?
Sheep.
And?
Cricket.
What else have we seen?
Say it. Bison.
We saw some bison. And what's over here? See their horns sticking up? What's that?
Deer.
Show. Look, bro, there's a baby right there. It's a little baby bear. And another one right there.
That's the water bear. Excuse me, Bill, get out of the way. Get out the way, Bill. We're trying to drive. Whoa, he's wet.
He is wet. They're all playing by the water.
And they're going in the water.
Yeah.
There's another one. Another one.
Yeah, there's one walking in the water over there, huh?
That is another one.
Look, there's one right
here
there.
scratching himself
on the tree.
Oh, this is the one.
Look, girl. It's right here in the grass.
Yeah, buddy.
Mountain bears.
Mountain bears.
Are there mountain bears, Dad?
There they are. Don't, Stephen Wesley. You're gonna get us eaten.
Eaten, yes.
Yes.
Look up here on the hill, Ro. You land up on top of the hill. Look at the rolls.
Ro, wave, say hi.
Say hi, Ro. This trip has been happening. So far, we've had, I don't know, like 8 meltdowns per kid, including Bree.
Are you coming or are you gonna stay in the parking lot?
do you see, Ro? Water. Is it cold water or hot water?
Hot water.
One, two, three, and more stairs. More stairs. Get in your car seat, buddy. You can go watch your movie. Ro.
You say hi, Bison.
There's just a whole, I don't know if you can tell, there's just a whole field of them. There's just so many.
Gotta record everybody up here.
Look, I turned it on.
Say cheese, Ollie. Just kidding, because you're asleep.
It's pretty out here. I can hear waterfalls.
Something mom asks me too.
Did you have fun on vacation?
This